Do you want to restore quarantined files or add exception in Windows Defender? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Windows has now completely changed the way we use Windows Defender. The new built-in Windows Defender is way better and even looks surprisingly good. The all-new Windows Security is a hub for all computer security settings. Recently, we found the Defender marked some files as viruses and deleted them. We wanted to remove those files from the quarantine, so we looked around and surprisingly we couldn't find them. Now here is a video showing how to delete or restore files from quarantine in Windows Defender on Windows. Let's get started. Method 1. Delete or restore files from quarantine in Windows Defender. To delete quarantined items in Windows Defender of Windows 11, open Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Protection History. From the Filters drop-down menu, select Quarantined Items. Click on the quarantined item and a window will pop up. Click Yes and click on the new option you see. Now you should see Actions button. Click on it and select Remove. You can restore them back by clicking on the Restore button. You can also use File Explorer to delete quarantined items. Open File Explorer, click the View menu at the top, then select Show, then Hidden Items. Navigate to this folder, and you will see the quarantined items. You can delete the contents of the quarantined folder to remove the items. You can also follow this link for detailed guide. Method 2. How to add exception in Windows Defender. Open Windows Security from the System Tray area, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now open Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings, scroll to the bottom and find Exclusions. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Yes. Now hit the plus button and choose the type of exclusion you want to add. You can add a file, folder, file type, or process to the exclusions list. Exclusions can be removed easily as well. All you need to do is click the relevant down arrow and hit the Remove button. So, this was all about quarantined and excluded files on Windows Defender. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.